Hi guys, welcome to easy peasy step-by-step curry prep. So today we're gonna make a basic chicken and potato curry. So as you can see, we chopping three onions. We're gonna dice them. So basically, when it comes to curries like chicken curry, it's best to dice them so they caramelize quickly and they blend in and melt quicker and blend in, become like a paste. We don't want bits of onion sticking around. Okay, so we're going to put about 3 spoons of oil, cooking oil. You can put a bit more, but then it gets a bit too oily. We prefer it medium, not too less, not too much. Put salt. I would say, just to be safe, it's only one baby chicken. Put about a teaspoon's worth, or a bit more. Then afterwards, if it's not enough, even when the curry is finished, you can add a bit more and just put it on the boil. And sorry about that. We're not going to cook the spoon. Yeah, so we're gonna put the diced onions in. One cube of mashed garlic, 1 cube of mashed ginger, mashed or blended, whatever you want to do. I usually buy the frozen ones. You can do it at home, but sometimes it's just best to get it home and done with from the shops. Less hassle. But obviously, if you got time in your hands, you can always just blend them, and then make them into little portions and freeze them in the freezer. Sorry. Yeah. So stick the lid back on, let that caramelize, and yeah. So it's almost ready. I'm gonna start adding the spices. So we're gonna put some turmeric, some curry powder. Put about almost like a teaspoon. It's really hard to it's not really hard, but sometimes putting an exact amount, it's not something you weigh. It's just more or less you are. This is some more garlic powder. You don't need to. That's just optional. I'm gonna put some cumin powder. Put some coriander powder. It doesn't have to be exact. It's very hard to add a few bay leaves. 3 would be okay. Some washed broken cinnamon pieces. Oh, once again, regarding the spices, people do say 1 spoon and tablespoon. You can do that, but I'm just saying, like, it doesn't have to be 100% accurate. No one actually measures it by the gram. But as you get used to the cooking, then you're going to realize, okay, when I use X amount of ingredients, I need X amount. So basically, if it gets a bit dry, add some water, not too much. Or you can add oil, but as I said, I want to keep the oil low, so otherwise it will start burning. Add your chicken that's already washed, and then stir thoroughly. Make sure all the masala goes over and around, up and down, left and right of the chicken. It's quite satisfying, to be honest, this part. This is methi. I forgot what's the English name for it. Yeah, I'll have to look out the thing. I always forget that one. Again, that's just an extra ingredient. You don't need to do that. Okay, so in this one, as I'm gonna do a chicken and potato curry, peel some potatoes. I'll say for 1 baby chicken, 4 medium-sized potatoes should be okay. So we're gonna peel them, and then we're gonna basically slice them into make each one into 4 pieces, just like that. It's good to do the slice in a particular way, depending what kind of curry it is. So if it's chicken, it's best to do that thickness. Not too thick, not too thin. Yeah, if it's meat curry, then it'll be okay to have it a bit thick because meat's gonna cook for longer, so it won't become mashed potato inside your curry. Yeah, it doesn't have to be 100% symmetrical. Just keep it as good as you can. And then what? Not everyone does this, but we have a habit of putting it in water. I think, obviously, apart from washing it, I think some starch comes out or something. And I need to Google that, find out. Usually see that really cloudy stuff coming out. I'm assuming some excess starch comes out. I don't know. There's no real science to it, or there might be. I've never really checked up on it. I just do it because I see other people do it. So, as you can see, if you look in there, I didn't actually add that much water, but obviously water's come out. The chicken will release some water. So at the moment, we don't need to add any external water. Put the potatoes in, again, mix thoroughly. Make sure the potatoes are as low as possible, close to the heat, because we want it to really feel the heat, basically. So they cook quick. Now you can add the water. From now on, we're gonna make sure we keep it on full flame because this is cold water, and as the potatoes are still raw, we're gonna be wasting no time. Give it another stir so all the masalas are fully mixed all around the whole saucepan. And then close the lid and leave it on high heat. And here you have it. One basic potato and chicken curry. Nothing too fancy, nothing too basic. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's me enjoying my dinner. Please like and subscribe. And hope to see you again. Hope you enjoyed it. Please mention anything in the comment section. I don't even mind if it's negative. Just if you want me to do things differently, just let me know. Bye. Take care.